Thanks for taking the time to look at this promotional video about how to paint skies. Lots of people ask me, oh Nicola, how do I paint a sky though it looks believable? Well, in this course I'm going to show you just how. I'm Nicola, and if you've done any of my courses before, you are not going to be disappointed in this one. I'm going to take you through a number of different processes which will help you create some wonderful skies to use in your paintings. We'll look at different shades of blue, some colour mixing. We're going to be looking at early morning skies, daytime sunny skies, cloudy stormy skies and nighttime skies as well, including a stunning sunset. You'll be learning how to gain more confidence with your paints as well, because this one is all about technique. It's about learning how wet to work. It's about putting colour on and also about lifting colour off, and not just lifting it off but how you lift it off. You'll see me make some mistakes, believe me, but then you'll also learn how I did, how to correct them and get back on course. It's a super course, it really is lovely, and I really hope that you're going to dive in, get cracking and enjoy it. And don't forget to leave a nice review at the end. Enjoy your painting.